What's the example of a railway infrastructure in Australia?
Well, the two big ones that were privately funded was the Sydney Airport Railway and the Brisbane Airport Railway. So Sydney Airport Railway was a really interesting transaction. It was an extension of one of the lines through the rapidly gentrifying industrial inner south, I suppose, Alexandria, Zetland, Green Square, all of which were decaying industrial assets at the time, and new stations at the airport through to Wooleye Creek.
And then onwards to Leppington and...
wherever it goes to after that, wherever the East Hills line goes. And so because they were through running trains, the private sector obviously couldn't run the trains because mixing that in with the existing network's really hard. So that was funded by a levy on station usage. So when you get off at Green Square, the two airport stations, there's a third one, Mascot,
Yep.
I think. You pay an extra charge compared to any other station.
I thought that was only for the airport stations, only for the domestic.
It was originally
because there's a lot of people who get off at Mascot.
Yeah,
you can
maybe
see them walking into.
Maybe that's changed, but certainly it was originally intended to be the four. It may have changed since the deal was done because it's been in liquidation or in receivership twice in its lifetime. And that was really predicated on the growth of residential in those inner south suburbs, which took forever. So this was done for the Olympics in 2000. And the growth in those areas really didn't happen until the last decade, really. So it struggled for that.